Perform the indicated operations and, if possible, simplify. Assume all variables represent non-negative numbers. The square root of 35x divided by the square root of 80xy squared. What we can do is divide the two radicands and put that quotient underneath the same square root symbol. So we have the square root of 35x divided by the square root of 80xy squared. And now let's factor the 35 and 80 because we will see that we have 5 times 7x over 5 times 16xy squared. And we can now remove a factor of 1, which is the 5 over 5. We can also remove a factor of 1, which is the x over x. Let's show that clearly. So that what we have as the first step in the result is the square root of 7 over the square root of 16y squared. Now, let's separate this quotient and write it as the quotient of two radicals. So the square root of 7 over the square root of, and I'm going to rewrite that as 4y squared. And now you should see that we can simplify the denominator. The numerator is still the square root of 7, and that goes over 4y.